What's up guys, Bodie here from BodieDavidson.com. In today's video, we're going to dive into how to turn your AI art into vectors so that you can edit them and infinitely scale them. This is a free way to turn your AI art into vectors, and if you have vector editing software, then you can obviously muck around with it completely, edit everything, and like I said, infinitely scale it and not lose any of that quality. If you're new to the channel, I like to talk about print on demand and making money online, so check out the channel. Check out all the playlists. We've got print on demand playlists, Teespring tutorial playlists, everything to do with print on demand and making money online. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like, please hit subscribe, and let's get into it. Website that I was talking about, it's called vectorizer.ai. I can leave a link below, but you can just Google it, you'll find it, no worries. Absolutely amazing website for turning your AI art into vectors in full color, like it says here, converting them to SVG. So completely be able to zoom in on them and edit them and just lose none of that quality when you really zoomed in. And I'll just show you exactly how it works. So as it says here, it's free while in beta, so definitely go and use this and get as many images done as you possibly can at a time, because yeah, who knows when they're going to start making it a paid thing. But while you can get away with it, definitely use it for as many images as possible. That would be my suggestion to you. So let's get an image started and I can show you what it looks like. So this is a cyberpunk one that I have here, so I'll just select that and show you. Here's the image that we have, so we're going to go down to the bottom right and click OK. And here we are uploading it, so it doesn't take too long to get done. And here's the final image side by side. So you've got the original image on the left and then the vectorized result on the right. And as you can see, they look pretty similar from the untrained eye from a distance. The one on the left, look, it's a great picture. It'd probably be best used on stickers. When you actually zoom in and really start looking at the finer details, there's a big difference here, and I'll show you that. So as we zoom in, you can start to see the big difference and why this tool is amazing, and definitely you should be using it while you can. When you're looking at these individual strands, like look at this one here versus that. Look at some of these finer details in this part here versus this. And let's go down to the even more little nitty-gritty part. So all of these little ones on the left, you can see on the right here are actual things instead of just being a blurred image. And all of these finer details, look at this one here versus that, just amazing. All of this looks way better over here as well, way more detailed. But it's when you start getting down to the really finer details. So look at this part here versus that. And then this part here versus this part here. All the finer line work, all these little ones are actual things on the right. The finer line work down here though, and all these small ones are, you can see there, but the finer line work like the hair up the top and these lines here, you can really see the big difference in what this is doing. This is another good section to show you actually. So these parts here versus that, and all of these little details down to the left. So that just shows you how amazing it is, what a big difference it makes. As I said, from the zoomed out version, you can't really make that much of a difference out of it, but when you zoom in, you can imagine this one on the right would look so much better printed on a t-shirt versus the one on the left. Especially when it comes to, you know, a few washes in, etc., that finer blurred detail compared to the one on the right is going to be a massive difference. Alright, so let's say we're done with that. We just go download up here. And then it comes up. Obviously we're on SVG. It has a lot of different things here you can play around with. And then you just go download. And we've got it downloaded, and it's really that simple. So I just want to quickly show you another one. We'll just click on this. And I've got one with the background removed, because obviously transparent background is what we want for an actual t-shirt design. Most of the time. So we'll just upload this one. We'll just click OK on the bottom right again, and away it goes, doing its thing, making it up for us. And here we are with the transparent background side by side. So like I said, this is more likely what you're going to be using, because obviously it's going to be printed on a t-shirt or whatever you're printing on. But again, let's go down to the finer details here. So look at this ear, look at this area here, and then look at it on the right. And then look at all of this, and then this, And the more you zoom in, the more blurred you see that it is as well. This is a good area here. Let's zoom this in even more. Check this out on the left. Now you're really zoomed in versus on the right. And these finer lines down here, you can't even make out what they are really. These finer lines here versus these ones here. This down here, the red one versus this. Just absolutely amazing. Hey, the big difference. I did spot another part there actually. If we zoom in on this part, just around the mouth area, you can see that it's got rid of that part that's just going to be nothing and actually made it into the parts that would work. Yeah, just vectorized it like the name suggests and converts it, and yeah, just amazing, ready for you to add onto your t-shirt. So then we'll just go download again. Same thing comes up and we'll download that. Amazing tool, guys. Definitely get onto it while it's free. Use it as much as possible. This is the finalized product. Absolutely clean. We know that we can zoom right in on this. It's perfect. We can edit every part of this if we upload it to some software. And then this is the transparent background. Clean as, no blur. Can zoom right in on it. Everything looks perfect. Thank you very much for watching. Definitely use this tool, guys. Get amongst it while you can. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like for me. Please comment down below any questions or comments you have. Make sure you hit subscribe. Much more print on demand content on the way. And I'll see you guys in the next video.